So hey everybody, we're in class today talking about camera systems. Installation of Intrusion camera systems. This is a fisheye camera system. This IP camera system can be mounted in the ceiling, 5 megapixel. It's a dome designed to give a general look around a room in a fisheye type of pattern. That's just one of the many cameras we're going to talk about. Those cameras have to be connected to something, and so we're going to be using the POE switch. This particular one is by TP-Link. It's a 5-port POE switch. It has a 67-watt POE budget. Only 4 ports of this has POE. The other one goes onto the network. So this is one of the other pieces that we'll be talking about in the coming classes. And then we have a few other pieces of camera equipment by the Axis manufacturer. We'll also talk a little bit about intrusion alarms. Here's a basic zone configuration for a door contact on a hardwire zone for what we would know as a Vista 128 panel by Honeywell. We'll get into that a little bit too. This class is made up of both intrusion alarm and both on the camera system installation. So my name is Phil, and I've been around doing this type of systems and services and now designing and teaching this for about 40 years. And so I'll take you from some things very old, 40 years ago, and I'm going to bring you up to the latest of IP camera systems and IP alarm systems. Access control we already covered, all done in the books. I hope that you guys have taken a hold to the training on the access piece and you're putting it to work on your jobs in the field. So thank you so much for coming in this week. We'll follow up part 2 real soon. Thank you.